Welcome back, science adventurers, to Decoding Long COVID, Dexamethasone, and beyond. I'm Dr. Shikha, your guide through this intricate tapestry of science where every thread reveals a new challenge. After exploring dexamethasone's molecular magic, I'm ready to shine a light on its shadows, the hidden costs that come with its power. As someone who has unraveled the molecular knots of Leishmaniac cases, I'm curious about the trade offs of this potent drug. Prachi Virat is here, our microbiology maestro with a passion for microbiome and bioinformatics, ready to dive deep in today's episode on the hidden cost of dexamethasone. Prachi, let's peel back the curtain. What are the major side effects of dexamethasone in long COVID and how do they impact patients?
Thank you for having me here, Dr. Shikha. I'm excited to be here.
Prachi, dexamethasone is a lifesaver for inflammation, but no drug is without its downsides. What are the big side effects we need to watch out for in long COVID?
Absolutely, Dr. Shikha. It's a powerful tool with a price. Dexamethasone short term side effects include insomnia, weight gain, and mood swings. But in long COVID, where it's used longer, the risk escalates. One major issue is adrenal suppression, where hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis slow down, affecting 10 to 15% of chronic users per a 2024 endocrinology study. This weakens stress responses and immunity. Another concern is increased infection risk. Fungal pathogens like Candida albicans and bacteria like Pseudomonas can thrive. With a 2023 Journal of Infectious Disease study noting a 20% rise in infection among long COVID steroid users. The microbiome take a hit too. Dexamethasone can reduce SCFA producing bacteria like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, as a 2024 mBiome study showed, linking this dysbiosis to worse fatigue and cognitive issues via the gut-brain axis.
That's like borrowing a magic elixir with a curse attached. How can we mitigate these risks and can bioinformatics help us navigate them?
Spot on analogy, Dr. Shikha. To mitigate, low dose regime like 2-4 mg daily and short courses are key, as NIH guidelines suggest. Probiotics such as Lactobacillus casei can restore microbial balance, with a 2024 gut study showing improved SCFA levels in 20% of treated patients. Antifungal prophylaxis like fluconazole help prevent infections. Bioinformatics is a game changer here. Metagenomic models like those in a 2023 Frontiers in Microbiology study predict dysbiosis risk based on baseline microbial profile. For example, patients with low Faecalibacterium need extra microbiome support. Machine learning can also flag those at risk of adrenal suppression by analyzing immune and microbial data, guiding personalized strategies to keep side effects in check.
Prachi, I must say you have unveiled the double-edged sword of dexamethasone, and I'm floored. Let's weave together these insights, like crafting armor from fragile threads. You have shown dexamethasone's power comes with risks, adrenal suppression, infections, and microbiome chaos that fuel long COVID symptoms. That 20% infection spike is a wake up call, and the gut brain axis is wild. Prachi, what's your big takeaway?
Love the hammer metaphor, Dr. Shikha. Dexamethasone, a potent elixir, but we need to wield it wisely. The microbiome is like a delicate ecosystem we must protect. And bioinformatics is our forge, crafting tailored shields with data. We are warriors in this long COVID battle, balancing healing with caution to protect patients.
Thank you so much, Prachi, for the wonderful explanation. That concludes today's episode. Thank you, listeners, for being with us. If you like the episode, do hit subscribe, share this episode, and join us on social media with our hashtags. Let's keep decoding long COVID. Stay curious.